Here's to the world's pioneering inventors and creators. The ones who make something lasting, something that changes the way people live, something that makes things better, building on the great march of progress that keeps us all moving forward, enjoying richer, safer, healthier, more comfortable, more productive, more fulfilling lives. It's a rare gift to have the brilliance and courage not just to have a great idea, but to see it through, overcoming all the obstacles and challenges on the way. In 1882, Frederick Grinnell patented the first automatic sprinkler. A year later, Warren Johnson patented the electric telethermoscope, or what we would come to know as the thermostat. Two inventions that would change the world. One born of a desire to keep people safe, the other to keep them more comfortable and productive. Two inventions that form the origins of a business founded in 1885 that still thrives today. Our world may be unrecognizable from the one Warren Johnson and Frederick Grinnell knew. And yet, throughout all the changes and upheavals, one thing remains unchanged. The reason this company exists, the reason we do what we do. To do more for humanity. To make all our built environments do more for people everywhere in limitless ways. It was there in those very first two inventions, and in countless more innovations spanning the decades, each more advanced than the last. It's there in the schools where we work for better learning outcomes, the hospitals where we transform patient experiences, in the data centers we make more efficient and secure, in the sporting venues and airports where we give people more enjoyable, safer experiences. In the labs we make smarter, places where tomorrow's groundbreaking and life-saving innovations are being created. And in all the places we make more sustainable, for the good of humanity and the planet. With buildings that support and enhance lives all over the world. But this is just the beginning. A new era is already underway. An era that will see the greatest transformation in how we live and work since the Industrial Revolution. Whatever you need to achieve, we will be by your side every step of the way as we make it happen, together. Johnson Controls, the power behind your mission.